Alright, jump ball tayo. And the first possession. Jump ball violation. So it will be possession of United Colors.
Laglagan na yan.
Oo.
Sino nalo kanina?
Benja!
Pasok na sila.
19 to shoot. Tuwira ng tres. Wala yan. Recovered. Jumper. Short. Rebound by Vitas. Tuboyo. Tuboyo. Mahin! First foul. Mahin will be in the line. And the first one is good by Mahin. Second free throw is still good. And si Apuya to Hipolito. Apuya pulls the three. Short yan. Out of bounds. Boyo setting up the play. Boyo, karang kamapasahan. Finds Flores, fakes. Flores in. Two Vitas fakes. And traveling violation. United Colors, Apuya, looking for his teammates. Finds Hipolito, 15 to shoot. And to shoot, Hipolito to Apuya. Nawala ang bola. Buhayan ng team. United Colors, Flores to Mahin. Mahin to Flores. Flores fakes, traveling violation. Dalawa. Ay, ito. 19 to shoot. Hipolito at the baseline. Looking for an open man. Finds number 20 to number 24. De Vera. Atienza. Pulls. Puts it in. Balls to ating score. 0-1 ang ating score.
0-1 yan nakasot pre.
Boyo finds Mahin on the baseline. Short, rebound by Atienza. Atienza at number 24, De Vera. De Vera, 2. Nawala ang bola. Bola na ng team. Ano yan? Mahin. Jumps in the paint. Wala yan. Rebound ng team. United Colors. And a steal by Flores. Flores to Boyo. Fakes in the paint. Pass to Flores. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 6. Flores. First free throw, one go.
Talo. Sakit sa loob. Dami na kasi malalakas na team ngayon eh.
And the second one, still one go. Rebound na yan ang team. Apuya. Apuya, mamadali. Apuya, parang apoy. Pasok yan kay Apuya. Boyo, babawi. And there's a foul. Who's foul rep? For 20.
24. 24, 24.
24. Foul number 24. De Vera. Umira si Flores, short. Rebound ng Team United Colors. Hipolito. Hipolito, nagana. Hinaharas. Ni Bitas. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 19, Bitas. Apuya. 2. Atienza. Pulls. Puts it in. Ang ating score, 6-2 in favor of Team United Bowlers. Kaya na, si Moyo, nakahanap ng kabasahan. Almost a steal. Same ball possession. 10 to shoot. Moyo. Rebound ng Team United Bowlers. Hinaharas. And a steal by Moyo. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 24 is foul.
Wala pa.
Second pa lang. 3 pa lang. 3 personal fouls. And si Boyo. Tubitas. Tumahin at the baseline. Overshoots. Rebound ni Pinas. Puts it in. 6-4 ang ating score.
Pares kasi kulay, kaya nalilito eh. Pares kulay.
70 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Tienza, 7 to shoot. Atienza, forcing the offense. Short. Rebound na yan ng team. And who's 3 seconds violation?
Traveling.
Traveling violation, sorry. Yan na ang team. Ipo. Litas to Boyo. Boyo. Boyo still. Finds Flores. Pulls the three. Short. Rebound yan ng team Ipo. Team United Colors. And traveling violation. Ahin on the baseline. Short. Rebound niya ng team United Colors. 2. Hipolito. Short ang tira. Recovered by Hipolito. Rejected by Mahin. Mahin to Boyo. Boyo. Mahin to Bitas. Puts it in. All 6 tayo. And to shoot. Atienza. Short. Rivera. At wala pa rin yan. 3. Na-rebound na yan ang team. And foul. Who's foul rep? Number 17 is foul. Fourth personal foul, team. Mahin to Bitas. Bitas to Flores. Pulls the three. Puts it in. 3 ball.
Time out daw, time out.
Time out. Ating score is 6-9. Tigas kasi.
Ilan team po ang kabila? Apat. Ito. Ilan team?
Ito wala.
Sa amin, importante yung makita yung team.
Okay. So, 14 foul tayo.
Season tayo, sa season tayo.
Kailangan mo yung
Walang season score.
Okay, now official score 6-9. Sorry. Nandito yung ano nandito yung clockbook.
Oras.
Kaya na si Hipolito, Udevera, Tuapuya, pulls the 3. Short, recovered by De Vera. And a steal, goes foul rep. Ang foul, out of bounds. Ang ating score. To Hipolito, pulls the 3. Pasok yan kay Hipolito. Headlock tayo. Boyo looking for his teammates. Boyo to Flores. Flores to Mahid, pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound by the team. Pass to and a score 3 points. Ayaw na naman. Oh, wait lang Sagad na naman sira yung wait lang. Palpak na naman tong timer natin. Ang ating score is 11-9. 12-9, sorry. 12-9 tayo, sorry. 3 points pumasok kaya po yan. 12-9 ang ating official score. 2 minutes and 22.
Touch mo muna para sure. Para fourth quarter, meron tayong ano.
Hindi kasi sinacharge to ni ano eh. Tinatago lang kasi hindi na sa ano.
Touch mo.
Kaya pag ginagamit,
Our time remaining is 2 minutes 22. Ang ating score ay 12-9.
Mamaya na announce naman.
Na-announce ko naman yung oras. Okay, go.
Ready?
Ayan.
Yaka!
makakatayan mo yung oras pa na.
Basta patay tayo free throw, timeout lang. Ready? Yung 14 seconds pa. Start.
Alert ka pa dyan, Listen. Ayan na, wala. 90 to shoot. Flores pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by. Rebound na yan ng team. 1 minute 56. Walang bola. Bola pa rin ang ano yan. Seconds pa na. Ayan na, Rivera. 90 to shoot. Short yan, rebound yan ng team. Steal yan ulit ng team. 12-9 pa rin ang ating score. Apuya, hinahara si Apuya. 80 to shoot. Robosa, rejected by. Steal ulit. And traveling violation. Time remaining, 1 minute 14. Seconds. It has 40 seconds. Traveling violation. 59 seconds. 57 seconds. 19 to shoot. Barbosa, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nice steal yan. And who's foul? Jump ball tayo. Mahin. 43 seconds. $17 to shoot. 14, 10, 9, nice skill ulit. 24 seconds. 20 seconds, 22 seconds left. 22 seconds left. 22 seconds. 19 to shoot. Sa-timer kayo?
Hindi. Okay lang.
22 seconds left.
22 seconds.
18. 15 to shoot.
Yan!
Yan. 14 to shoot. Libre. Pasok yan. 12 seconds. 10. 9. 8. 7. 5. 4.5 seconds left. Ang ating score, nakashoot na kayo.
Agis! Agis!
12-11 ang ating score. Vitas, for the 3. Wala yan. 2.5. Sige, 2.5. 12-11 ang ating score. 12-11. Labang ng isa ang United Bowlers. 2.5 seconds.
Bantay! Bantay! Bantay!
One. Time. Wala na tayong oras. 12-11 ang ating score.
Eh,
12-11.
nag-shutdown eh.
Nag-shutdown.
Hindi sa oras lang.
Sa shutdown.
Shutdown na.
Ita-charge muna natin. Sa third quarter natin.
Sa fourth quarter na pag ano.
I-charge muna natin yung critical time din is fourth quarter. Yun ang doon natin gagamitin sa fourth quarter. Charge muna natin, yes. Oo, para sure tayo. Fourth quarter natin gagamitin yung timer.
Charging na ba?
So our official score in this second quarter is 12-11 in favor of Team United Bowlers. 1 point.
Ulit na.
Violet!
Alright, time.
Violet ball! Kasi
Back to
parehas
the
sila
hard court.
violet.
Balik tayo, back to the hard court. Back to the hard court tayo. Whose ball? Violet's ball? Whose ball? Violet's ball. Okay, time. Tama? Wala ba? Okay.
Ako mo kaya dito. Parang umaano-ano.
Okay na yan. Dito kasi nakapokus. Ano nakapagulong? Pasok yan. Sino nakapasok? Sa United Bowlers? 14-11 tayo ha. Oyo penetrates. Traveling violation. Twenty seconds. 16. Wala yan. Rebound. Traveling violation. 20 seconds. 24, sige. 23 seconds tayo. 20 seconds na lang. Rabosa, 50 to shoot. Rabosa, traveling violation. Team. Behind the back ball. Picks number 15. Tumira. Short. Recovered by the Team United Bowlers. Who's foul rip? Number 15 is foul. Our score 14-11. Time 8 minutes 43. Ella Cruz will be in the line for bonus. This one go. Oras natin, 8 minutes 43. Second one, wala pa rin yan. Nakuha yan ng Team United Colors. United Colors, Robosa, penetrates, short, rebound by the team. Is foul rep, number 23. Alright. Pass to Flor Vitas.
Sayang.
Wala ang tira. Out of bounds. Tira, rejected. Post foul rep number 23 is foul. (14-11) ang ating score. 8 minutes, 18. Substitution, pasok na. Pasok, substitution. Iwan mo na siya para mag-break siya.
Hindi, patayin mo para ano.
First one is wala. Won't go. Second one is good. Fifteen to shoot. Walang bola. Who's foul rep? Number 31 is fouled. De La Cruz will be in the line for bonus. Ang ating score 14-12. De La Cruz, number 16. First free throw is good. 8 minutes remaining in this first quarter. Second one is still good. Ember, Juan Boyo to JJ, penetrates, puts it in. 14-16 ang ating score. And who's foul rep? Number 15 is foul. Time, 7 minutes, 49. For 77, Castillo. Oliveira. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ng team. Ipo. Ayan na, si Duanson. Duanson. Inaharas. Ito si Vitas. Vitas. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. You steal.
Baba!
$1,000. Rosco. Robosa. Penetrates. Wala yan. Rebound by. Ay, Tinipo. Ayan na si Boyo. Magmamadali si Boyo. Boyo steal. Pulse. Wala pa rin yan. Kuha na number 15. Umira. Wala pa rin. 16 to shoot. And a score. Deadlock tayo sa 16. 7 minutes. Pwede to shoot. Tumira. Pasok yan. 18-16 ang ating score.
Sab ba sila?
Tumira. Wala. Substitution tayo. Substitution. Substitution. Pasok. Substitution. Ang ating time, 6 minutes, 44. Score, 18-16. Labang ng dalawa ang United Colors. Yan ang Team United Colors. Castillo, number 42. De Vera. Tumira ng 3. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ni Guanzon. Guanzon looking for his teammates. Guanzon. Tumira ng tres. Wala yan. Rebound ng Team United Bowlers. Team United Bowlers. Robosa penetrates. Puts it in.
Time out.
Time out! Good yan, good. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni. Walang bola. Okay, time out tayo. Give po. Ang ating score, 18-16. 6 minutes and 12 remaining.
Hindi, tama lang. 18. Galing sa 16. 20 na ba?
Alright, our result score is 20-16. 6 minutes and 12.
Doon, tama ba doon? Ah, dito.
Alright, live ball tayo. Live ball na. Yan na, si De La Cruz. Nakanang napasahan. Nawala ang bola. Na-steal na yan, eh.
Ay!
Na-steal ulit.
Balik!
Castillo in the paint. Pass to. And rejected by Mahin. And who's foul rep?
Ito, yung ano,
Number 14.
14.
Foul number 14. 2016 ang ating score. 5 minutes 44. 15 to shoot. Tumira ng 3 si Guanzon.
Sayang.
Wala pa rin yan. Rebound yan ng team. And a steal. Guanzon. Number 91. Pushing foul. Offensive foul by number 91. Ano yan si Castillo? Naghanap ng pamasahan. Long pass to Labiano. 18 to shoot. Labiano. Number 10. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Castillo. Tumira. Out of bounds. Time ball violation. Time remaining, 5 minutes, 2016, ang ating score. Tumira, short, rebound ni Castillo. Wala pa rin yan. 4 minutes, 56. Mahin, puts it. 18-20 ang ating score. Na-steal yan ng team Ipo. Guanzon, lumipat na, short. Recovered by JJ, puts it in. Deadlock tayo. Deadlock sa 20. Ayan na si Guanzon, inaras si Castillo. To Devera, Atienza, puts it in. And one basketball. 22-20 ang ating score. Who's foul rep? Number 15 ng foul. Substitution, pasok na. Substitution. Ang ating score, 22-20. Time remaining, 4 minutes, 20 seconds.
Finale ka ba? Pang finale.
Substitution, pasok na.
Panghalak lang ako.
Penalty na yung kabila. Team Ipo, penalty na. Pasok ang free throw. 23-20 ang ating score. Tatlo lang lamang ng United Bowlers. Beautiful pass to Mahin. Isa na lang. 4 minutes remaining. Ayan na, mamadali. Ito, Castillo. Castillo. Rejected by Mahin.
Ay!
And her foul. Who's foul?
Mahin.
Foul number 8. Foul ba yung rep or wala? Out of bounds na. Foul ba rep? Number 8. Okay, number 8 is fouled.
Mahin.
Aladano will be in the line for bonus. First round, 1 go. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes 54 in this first quarter. Second one is good. 24-22 ang ating score. And ang team, United Bowlers. 15 to shoot.
Diyan lang sa labas.
Flores for the 3. Wala. Out of bounds. First quarter pa lang tayo, di ba? Second. Second pa. Second na. Second. We're on second quarter na tayo. Ewan mo na, nagtatali ng sapatos. Tactical game. Inbound, Jesse! Ganda ng pasa. 24 all tayo. Deadlock.
Ganda ng laban.
Deadlock na tayo sa 24. 3 minutes, 28 seconds. Castillo still. 14 to shoot. Tumera, long shoot. Wala. Rebound ni. Atienza. And who's foul rep? Number 8 is foul. Second personal foul. Penalty situation. Time remaining. 3 minutes 15. The first one is good. 25-24. And the second one is good. Basketball. And as si Flores. Flores fakes. Crossover. Forcing the offense. Wala yan. Rebound yan. Ang Team United Bowlers. Nagmamadali si Aladano. Boyo. Boyo. Tumahin. Wala pa rin yan. And a steal by the team United Bowlers. Aladano. Number 9. Robosa forcing the offense. Rebound na yan. Di Mahin. And a foul. Who's foul? Number 77 is foul. Penalty situation. Foul number 77. Tulungan nyo ako sa bench. We are now in the second quarter of this game. Time remaining 2
Kaya
minutes
ka
and
lang
36
muna.
seconds.
Sa fourth
Our
quarter
score
na.
26-24. Injury, yan. Injury time out muna tayo. Stop muna, si Kahit. Penalty.
After free throw,
Magkatapos na mag-free throw. Uy.
Pumasok na yung tira.
Ano yan, may loob pang trabaho mo yan ah.
Second one, 1 go.
Stop.
Substitution tayo. Our score, 26-24.
Putangin na, mangingi ka lang.
21 seconds. And si Alatano. Rejected.
.23.
20 seconds. 19. Tumira ng 3. Short. Rebound by Boyo. Boyo. Nagpapadali. Boyo. Naghanap ng pagkasahan. Pulls. Short. Rebound by Hipolito. Hipolito. Robosa. Robosa. Forcing the offense. Nawala ang bola. Out of bounds. 1 minute 55 in the second quarter. 26-24, lamang ang United. Flores for the 3. Short. Rebound na yan ang team. United Flores. Hipolito, number 6. Hipolito in the paint. Penetrates. Pulls. Short. And a foul. Number 1 is foul. Penalty tayo. Time remaining. 1 minute 32. 26-24 pa rin ang ating score.
Pahinga niyo muna si Mahin. Pahinga.
Sa fourth quarter na.
What zone will be in the line? The first free throw is good. And the second one is one goal. Rebound number 10. 1 minute 30. Atienza. Malatano. Oh, Flaviano. Forcing the offense. Flaviano still in the paint. Wala pa rin yan. 10 to shoot. Rebound na yan.
Tigot! Diretso na, diretso!
Yan na si Flores. Rejected. Same possession ng Ipo. Penetrates. Wala. Hipolito. To Robosa. Nice ni Boyo. Robosa. Overshoot. And who's foul rep? Foul number 51. JJ. Ang ating score, 26-25. Robosa will be in the line. 55 seconds na lang tayo in the second quarter.
55 seconds.
The first one, won't go. 55. 26-25 ang ating score. 26-25. Lamang ng isang United Colors. And the second one is, wala pa rin yan. Rebound na yan ng team. JJ. Team JJ. Naghanap ng mabasahan. Oyo. To JJ. Short ang tira. Rebound na yan ng team. United. Robosa. Penetrates. And a score. What a beautiful layup by Robosa. 28 seconds. JJ forcing the offense. Wala bola. 17 seconds na lang tayo. Seconds. 12. 10. 7. 5. And who's foul rep? Number 2, Guanson. Oh, si Guanson, number 3. Si Guanson na foul, no? Number 3. Guanson is foul.
Foul niya pa.
We still have 3 seconds left. The first free throw is good. 29-25. And the second one is good. Last throw. Second one. Third. And it's good. 3 seconds na lang tayo.
3 seconds.
2.
Ay, mali.
Wala
na.
And that ends the second quarter. Our score, 25-31. Lamang ang United Colors.
Yes, sir. May question po. Okay, ganito yan, sir. Porket na-release na yung bola at hindi pa nakakababa yung player, nagkaroon ng bump, nagkaroon ng effect of all tayo doon. Okay?
Game starts now. And na si Flores. Flores. To Mahin at the baseline. Puts it in. Mahin. Ganda ng tira ni Mahin. Kababalik lang galing sa injury. Nakapasok na agad ng score. And ang Team United Colors. 31-27. At Piensa in the paint. Wala yan. Rebound by Mahin. To Boyo. Boyo. Ang Terence Romeo ng Ipo. Boyo. Pinasa sa kalaban.
Ay, pinasa.
Pinasa sa kalaban. And who's foul rep? Okay, the foul. Walang foul.
Sa balance, sa puki.
Nakakalito yung mga uniform nila eh. Alos parehas. Cabinet violation. Dribble muna bago step.
Sige, sige. Depensa pa, depensa.
$20 seconds. Apuya at the baseline. Short. Rebound by Pitas. Pitas crossing the midcourt. Finds Mahin. Nawala ang bola. Kuhani. De La Cruz. Pinasa kay De Vera. De Vera, number 24. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Tumira si De La Cruz. Wala yan. Rebound by Pitas. Kumahin. Libre na yan si Mahin. Puts it in. 29-31 ang ating score. Apuya, dribbling the ball. And who's foul rep? Number 19 is fouled. Vitas. Ang ating score, 31-29.
Dalawa lang, Fred. Dalawa lang.
17 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Out of bounds, late violation. Ayan na si Boyo. Naghanap ng mapasahan si Boyo. Boyo to Vitas. 16 to shoot. Vitas for the 3. Puts it in! 32-31. Lamang na ang Team Ipo. Ayan ang Team United Bowlers. De La Cruz, naghanap ng pasahan, hinaras. De La Cruz, number 14. Number 8. Grab pass to number 23. Rejected. Uhulit ng Team Ipo yan. Yan na si Mahin. Mahin, forcing the offense. Guess is back, wala.
Sayang.
Sige, sige. Baba,
Well,
baba, baba.
defended basketball by the Team Ipo. Yan na si Apuya. Apuya, naghanap ng pasahan. Number 24, De Vera, looking for his teammates. De Vera to De La Cruz. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. De Vera for the 3. Wala yan. Rebound ni Mahin. Mahin, pinasa kay Flores.
Easy lang.
6 minutes, 45. 19 to shoot. 16 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Vitas forcing the offense. Kuha ni Mahin. Fade away shot. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ni Alas. Alas to De La Cruz. De La Cruz jumper. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ni Mahin. Mahin still. 6 minutes 14. Lamang pa rin ang Team Ipo ng isang puntos. Bitas at for the 3! 35-31 ang ating score. Substitution, pasok na. Substitution.
Ako po, bumalik yung injury.
Lamang na maapat ang Team Ipo.
Bumalik yung injury.
Ano, si Bitas fakes at the baseline. Excellent! Ganda ng pasahan. 37-31 ang ating score. Pass to Apuya. Apuya, 16 to shoot. Apuya penetrates. Rejected by Mahin. Kuha ulit yan. Short. And a foul. Yes, foul rep. Walang foul. Out of bounds na. 5 minutes 38 ang ating score. 37-31. Lamang ang Ipo. Lamang ng anim ang Ipos Lazars. Ayan na si Flores. Pulls the three from the downtown. Wala yan. Rebound ni. Nakuha ulit ng Team Ipo yan. United. Castillo. Castillo to Atienza. In the paint. Penetrates. And a foul. Traveling violation. 5 minutes remaining in this third quarter. Ayan na si Boyo, tumahin, na wala ang bola. Natapi, kuha ni Rivera, to Castillo, to Alas. And a score by Alas. 33-37 ang ating score. 4 minutes 56. 18 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Flores for the 3. Rejected. Rebound ulit ng Team Ipo yan. Boyo in the paint. Pass to Jeroma. Same ball possession.
Di ba pwede yung gamitin pag-quarter?
Yan ang bounded the ball. Walang kumuha ng bola. Pinasa kay Castillo. Ang ating score, 33-37, 4 minutes and 30. 16 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Castillo, forcing the offense. Rebound by Mahin. Mahin 2. Passing to the Roman. Still pa rin ni Mahin yan. To Flores. Flores penetrates. And a score.
May foul.
And one basketball timeout, Team United Bowlers.
Mamaya.
Time remaining, 4 minutes. And as the score is 33-39 in favor of Team Ipo.
Naman na kayo.
Alright, back to the ball game na tayo. 4 minutes remaining in this third quarter. 33-39 in favor of Team Ipos Lazars.
Lasing sila pa.
Diyan na kayo.
Flores will be awarded for 1 free throw
Dito na ako. Babalik ako.
and 1 basketball by Flores.
Ako hindi ako papasok eh.
Pasok ka na.
Hindi ako papasok.
Kakain na yan.
Flores, hindi pumasok yan. Kuha na yan ng Team United Bowlers. Ayan na si Apuya, ang point guard ng United Bowlers. Apuya. To Hipolito, ang superstar ng United Bowlers. Pasok yan. 35-39 na ating score. Napakaganda ng laban. Flores pulls the three. And a score by Flores. 43, 42, 35 ang ating score. Meron naman si Apuya. Naghahanap ng mapasahan si Apuya. Ito Hipolito. Hipolito to Castillo. 15 to shoot. Oh, Akit. Who is this? Gebena. Pasok yan. 37-42 ang ating score. 3 minutes, 11 seconds. 16 to shoot. Boyo to Bitas. Bitas to Mahin. And a steal. Robosa to Hipolito. Jumper. Wala pa rin yan. Hipolito pa rin. Pasok kay Hipolito.
Nagos,
Time out! Time out! Wala pang pito referee eh. Tuloy yan. Wala pang pito referee. Flores for the 3. Rebound by Mahin. Mahin at the baseline. Naipit. Pass to Esteban. Hipolito. Nice ulit yan ng Team Ipos Lazars. Team Ipo. 2 minutes. Uboyo. To Flores for the 3. Pasok na naman yan kay Flores. 45. Time out, Team Ipo.
Ganyan sa
Technical by ref. Okay, technical foul tayo. Ang ating score, 39-45. 2 minutes remaining. Biglang lamang ang Ipos Lazars ng 6. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. 2 minutes remaining in this third quarter. Itira si Malapiano. And the first one go. Short ang tira.
Kailan
Wala
kayo?
na ng Team Ipo yan.
Kailan kayo ha?
Team Ipo. 2 minutes remaining in this third quarter. Lapiano, tumira na. Wala yan. Rebound ni Boyo yan. Boyo ang Perez Romeo ng Ipos Lazars. Nawala ang bola. And who's foul rep? Number 17, 77, number 17.
17.
Number 17 is fouled. Wala pa tayong penalty, idol. Wala pa. Boyo is knocked down.
Wesley. Bilangan ko yan. Tricycle.
Time remaining, 1 minute, 53 seconds. In this third quarter. Si Flores. Flores pulls the 3 again. Short, recovered by Mahin. Pusa yan! Nakatapik yung bola out of bounds. Bola na ulit ng Team United Bowlers
Pawe!
yan.
Depensa, depensa!
Oras.
Time remaining, 1 minute 35. 20 seconds. 2 points yan. Pasok yan. Long 2. 41-45 ang ating score. 2 points lang yun. Lumapak. Lamang pa rin ang 4 ang Team United Bowlers. 1 minute 16. 16 to shoot. Low. Bitas. Tumira. And who's foul up? Technical tayo. Bawal. Counting. 1 minute. 9 seconds. Verse 77.
Bakit technical?
Tas will be in the line.
Bawal ba yung nagbilang?
Tas is good. Wala na ang United Bowlers. 1 minute. One minute remaining. Apuya, to Castillo, Hipolito, to Robosa, pulls the 3. Wala yan. Rebound ni Mahin. To Boyo. Boyo still. Ang Terence Romeo. Penetrates. Wala yan. Traveling violation. 44 seconds remaining.
Okay, defensa! Defensa!
Hipolito. To Apuya. Flaviano. Tumira ng 3. Wala yan. Rebound ni Pitas. Pitas lumipad na. And a foul. Who's foul? Number 17 is fouled. Ilan?
Warning! Penalty!
Penalty situation. 27 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Our score is 47-41. Second one is good. Pag pumasok substitution, wala yan. Rebound ulit na.
Wala ka lang inumin, wala lang Jason.
Hindi pumasok ang second free throw. 23 seconds. 20 seconds. Apuya, lumipad. Wala, recovered by Hipolito. Wala pa rin yan. And a foul. Who's foul? Number 1 is fouled. Swanson. Boyo. 13 seconds. 13 seconds remaining. Wala na tayong 13 seconds na lang ang natitira. Robosa, first one is good. Score, 42-47. And the second one is good. Good yan. Oo nga.
43 lang.
40.
Nakashoot ng Petro.
43 lang.
47.
Pagtapos na lang, pagtapos.
Ang ating score, 43-47. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5. Tumira ng 3. Wala yan.
Wala na oras.
Wala na tayong oras. Our official score, 43-47. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Alright, gagamitin na timer.
Apat.
Ito, bibilangin yung score sheet. Yan tayo magbabase ha. Yan ang official score natin.
Dalawang shoot.
Pumasok lang yung isa, 47. Dito tayo bibilang. Check natin dito. Kung ano yung official score dito, yun yung score natin. Dito, ganun pa rin. Anong score? 40? Oh, sakto lang. 45-43.
47 yun. Bakit nagkagulo?
Dito kasi yung basehan eh. Yun yung basehan.
Dalawa.
Dito ba? Tabi ka dito. Tabi ka dito para ma-monitor natin. Lagay kayo tao, di ba? Sa dito.
Idol, para hindi magulo. Dito mo na umpisahan yan.
45, paano ko babalik to?
Pwede na.
Ito pa rin naman susunod, sir, ha? Dito pa rin. Official pa rin.
Yung ritmo niya, counted din.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo.
Tali naman kayo, di ba? Nagtatali kayo sa cellphone.
Hindi, 47 na cellphone niya eh.
Naging basihan nila, yung mismo sa cellphone. Hindi sila nakikita.
Ito.
Dito kasi pwede magkamali talaga.
Doble ba yung ano mo dito?
Kasi sensitive yung ano dito, pindutan.
Uy, oras.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Ayan na. We're now in the fourth quarter of this game. 43-45 ang ating score. And who's foul rep? Number 14 is foul. Umira. Wala yan. Na-rebound na. Ayan na, ang team.
Sige ang team ball sa home.
Tabo ka ba, Captain Boy?
Castillo Toroposa. Foul yan. Substitution tayo. Pasok. Substitution muna. First one, wala pa rin yan. And the second one is good. Isa na lang ang lamang ng team United Bowlers. Ayan na si Boyo. Boyo still penetrates! Ang ganda! Pasok yan!
Batyan! Baba!
Nakascore ulit ang team. Ayan na, si Flores. Flores nagdadala ng bola. Naghanap ng mabasahan. Flores still. 16 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Drop pass to JJ. Kunti ka mawalang bola. 10 to shoot. Tumahin at the baseline. Wala. Na-rebound ni Boyo. Boyo still. Umikot. Naiwan. Wala. Oh! 46-49 tayo. Tumira na. Tres.
Dos.
Tres kayo. Tres. Deadlock tayo. 49 all. Was foul rep. Number 1 is foul. Number 4. Double foul tayo. Double foul. Isang foul sila. Ayan,
Tulog!
dalawang foul na kayo. Mahin, pulls, puts it in!
Pecha!
Ayan na, si Apuya. Apuya. 8 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Traveling violation.
Labas.
7 minutes 27. 51-49 ang ating score. In favor of Team Ipo. AJ. And to shoot Flores for the 3. Wala yan. Rebound by
Sige, sige.
Apuya. Apuya penetrates. Pass to. Puts it in. Deadlock ulit tayo. Deadlock ulit tayo sa 51. 6 minutes 57. Score. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 14 is foul. Pushing foul. Warning for graduate. Number 14.
Ayun pa ang fans ko.
Terence Rubio. Pasok yan. Yan na ulit si Terence Boyo. And the second one is good. Lamang ng dalawa. Number 10, tumira ng press. Wala short. Rebound by number 14. At the baseline, overshoots. Rebound by Flores. Flores. Tuboyo. 18 to shoot. Flores. Flores, crossover. Jumper. Overshoots. Rebound by. And who's foul rep? Substitution. Substitution. Substitution tayo.
May sharing para dito.
6 minutes 14. 20 seconds to shoot. Robosa. Robosa in the paint. Floats. Short. Recovered by Atienza. Recovered by Robosa. Wala pa rin. Recovered by Flapiano. At the baseline. Puts it in. Deadlock na naman tayo. Deadlock tayo sa 53. 5 minutes 55. Substitution. Pasok na. Substitution. Pasok. Pasok. 5 minutes and 55 remaining. Meron ba kayong tigda dalawang timeout ha? Labiano! Short yan, rebound by Mahin. Mahin to Boyo. 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 Boyo still. 15 to shoot. Boyo. And there's a foul committed by number 4.
Ano pa ulit?
Fourth team foul na. And si Flores penetrates to Mahin. And score! Pasok yan kay Mahin. 55-53 ang ating score. Yan si Robosa, nadulas. And who's foul rep? Jump po tayo. Simple possession. Kaninong possession ko? Simple possession tayo. Ang ating score, 5 minutes, 53-55. Substitution, pasok na. Substitution. Substitution. Alas in. Robosa out. Ipolito to Flaviano. Flaviano in the paint. Flaviano rejected by Mahin. 15 to shoot. Naibit. Kuha yan ni Mahin. Mahin, there's a foul. Rose foul rep.
Hindi, inakman eh. Inakman lang yun eh.
Our score is 53-55. 4 minutes 53 seconds.
Technical tayo.
Technical. Number 13.
Violet. 10, sorry.
Number 10, technical.
Pioneer, 08.
Sa United. Number 8, technical. Sa Ipo. Parehong technical.
Okay na, okay. Sige, sir. Magkamay na kayo.
Opo, technical. Ayan na, si Boyo. Ayan na, si Flores.
Kailangan tatlo yung referee mo.
Flores. Nga naman pa saan? Tubitas, short. Rebound by number 23. Alas, ayan na si Apuya. Nagpamadali. Pinitpit ang bola. Short. Rebound by the Ipos Lazars. Mahin. In the paint. Flies. Short. Rebound ulit ng Team Ipo yan. Team United. May steal yan eh. Watson. Tumahin. To Flores. Baba! Ayan ang score. 57-53 ang ating score. And ay steal ulit. Tingnan naman steal. Kung ulit lang. United yan. United Ballers. And a score.
Parang finals ah.
57. 55. 57-55. 15 seconds. Labang ang Ipo. Yan na, si Vitas for the 3. Pasok yun! Kay Vitas! 60-55. Hipolito penetrates. Overshoots. Rebound ni Watson. Watson to Boyo. To Flores. Libre yan! 62-55 ang ating score. Time remaining. 3 minutes, 6 seconds. Our score is 55-62. Lamang ng pito ang Team Ipo. Meron pa kayong tig isang timeout, both teams ha? Meron pa kayong tig isang timeout.
Penalty na sa kabila kung mapalpalit sila.
Oras na.
Ayan na, si Vitas ulit. Nakuha. So, Flores. Flores. Nagdadala ng bola. Si Flores forcing the offense. Short ang tira. Ayan na si Robosa. Behind the back. Umikot. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound by Vitas. Vitas to Boyo. Boyo. To Flores. 18 to shoot. Vitas. Tumira, wala pa rin. Recovered by Mahin. At the baseline. Short ang tira. Rebound by Alas. Alas. And a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 2 is foul. Watson. Substitution. Pasok na yung sasap. Wala ang tira. Second one is wala pa rin yan. Same ball possession. Tumira, short, rebound by Mahin. Mahin to Boyo. Boyo, na-steal. Nakuha ulit. And jersey number 1 is foul. Boyo. Pareho na kayo. 14 foul na kayo pareho. Seconds. Obosa pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by Mahin. Long pass to. Na-steal yan ni Apuya. 1 minute 33 seconds. 20 seconds. Apuya. Inaharas ni Guanzon. Apuya still. Apuya. Apuya. 10 to shoot. Atienza forcing the offense. Rebound by. Natapig yung bola sa import
1
possession.
minute na lang.
1 minute remaining.
Lista ko lang, 5 seconds lang.
1 minute remaining. And traveling violation tayo. 23. 1 minute and 10 seconds tayo. Wala na ng Team Ipo yan. Team Ipo, hindi na mawalang bola. 19 to shoot. 17 to shoot. To Flores, number 16. 14 to shoot. And who's foul rep? Offensive foul. Penalty situation na tayo. Penalty situation na, penalty. Wala pa. 54 seconds. Robosa pulls the 3. Wala yan. Kuha ni Flores.
Oras!
5 na ang foul. Kabila. Boyo. Wala ang bola. Who's foul? Substitution. Penalty situation. Penalty situation.
Hindi daw eh.
Ten to shoot. Wala pa rin yan. Shot ni Mahin.
Oras!
10 to shoot. Mahin pulls. Wala yan. Rebound ni. 29 seconds na lang tayo. Tumira. Short. Rebound by. Nakuha yan na lang. Team number 1. Puts it in. 14 to shoot. And who's foul rep? Hindi sadya. Who's foul rep? We only have 6 seconds remaining.
Six na lang oh.
$7.62 ang ating score. 6 minutes remaining. Guanzon. Kabila yung tira ni Guanzon.
Wala na. Gamitin nyo lang.
Second one is good. Wala na tayong oras. And Diyan na nagkalabos ang quarterfinals between Ipos Lassers and United Bowlers. Congratulations, Ipos Lassers. And our best player for tonight is number 8, Mahin.